Alright, welcome back to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm working on today is the part 2 to these unboxing of these Master Lock uh, dimple locks or dimple padlocks. I believe in the last video I picked these two out of the package. The 30 and the 40 millimeter. Now I'm going to go for the 50 and possibly the 60, depending on how long this takes. So I'm going to start with the 50. And we'll go from there. So alrighty. So I'm just going to check, see if it's the same keyway as the other ones. Using one of the other keys, it is. Key fits. But this one is 6 pins versus those for 4 and 5. Nice little pop. And again, this one looks like it's probably shimmable as well. So let's try to get this in the vise. Okay. Let's see, what was I using? So we go in, try to get some tension, and let's see what it does. So real quick, I'll show you the beating. So possibly low lift, medium lift, low lift, and then 2 high lifts in the back. So, ooh. Let's see how this goes. So one is springy, or 2. So 1. Slight click out of 2. 3, just moved a little bit. 4, slight click out of 4. Nothing on 5 and 6. I'm gonna come back to the front. That's off. All right, turn pin 2 and drop into the false set. So 1's giving just a bit of counter rotation. So I lost my false set. So I can get it back. Just trying to check each pin. Let's see. All right, kind of bounced the tension and went into the false set. Going under 5, I can feel it countering. I can get back on 5. Maybe it. All right, I lost my false set again. So see if I can get that back. All right, tapped 1 again and went back into it. So okay. All right, I'm trying to make sure I'm centered on 5 and see if I can. All right, got 5 set. Just have to keep that pressure on while I'm lifting. Otherwise, it'll drop everybody. Let's see. Just trying to go back through. 1, 2. That one's countering. Let me see. No, it's not wanting to click over, so I'm gonna leave it for a second. But it's the only one giving me any counter, so I'm gonna see if I can get under it good. I have to switch out picks. There it is. That's it. Oh, and there we go. So that one is open. All right, that one took a little bit longer now. It's a little tougher with the 6 pins. So it is open. So now let's go for the big one, which is still 6 pins, but just a 60mm version. Make sure the key does work. Yep. And this is, so that was the key for it, and this was the key for the 50mm. It goes in, but it doesn't turn it. So we'll get it in the vise. Let's see. So is that the one off? That's fine there. All right. So, well, I'll show you. Let's see. Well, which one's the bidding? Must be this one. Too many keys on my desk. Yep, that's it. So it is. Well, my turn. Max lift, medium lift, max lift, medium, and then a loaded lift in the back. So if I had to guess, I'm going to guess that no lift in the back is probably what's going to somewhat give us our fault set. So click out of 3. Nope. So this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I look like get out of 3. Click out 1. Click out of 2, 3, 4, 5. So nobody really binding. So reset. Click out of 1. 2 is springy. 3 is binding. Gotta click out of 3. 4 feels like it's a little stiff, trying to get under it. Click out of 4. 5 is bouncy. 6 is bouncy. So we'll come back. 1 feels set. 2 feels set. 3 doesn't feel set, but number 4. So we got 4 set. Looks like it. 5, we gotta click. 6 is, I feel like it may be set. So I guess wrong for sure. So everything's kind of just not giving any feedback. So I'm gonna reset. Heard a bunch of pins dropping, so either. All right, go in. Slight click out of 1. 2 is springy. Slight click out of 3. 4, going to 5 is binding. So click. Just gonna pulse the tension, just make sure they're set, and then just sliding under 6 and it gave a slight click, but no fault set yet. 1 just gave a click. 2 to the, let's see, 3 is solid. 4, 5. Okay. So I'm gonna leave it in the back, reset, and just try to come from back to the front. See if I can feel the difference that way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, core. Am I binding on the side of the core? Switch. Was I using a different tension earlier? Let's see. What's that? Too sure that won't my problem. 1, 2, 3, 4 springy, 5 is binding. 5. Okay, come back to the front. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so this one is not wanting to play. I guess it was saying we picked on my little brothers long enough and wow. I'm gonna change up picks, see if that makes a difference. I was trying to make sure too I'm not dragging on that side. Oh, that one's not working. Sorry, but I may have to call this one because this is getting to be a rather long video. I'll say that this one. Just don't understand why I'm not clicking right to get the in the fault set. My hand's starting to cramp up. The other one's moved that much from there. It feels like a lot of movement, but maybe I'm already in the fault set. I'm gonna keep going for a little bit, so I may have to fast forward through a lot of it, but not getting any. I'm getting feedback, feeling clicks, but what was all right? So I don't know what the difference was. I really don't. But anyway, maybe it was dragging on that side, or maybe the spring tension is just so much stronger on this one compared to the other ones because it's. Let's see. Just trying to feel the difference in the spring tension. Yeah, that's what it is. That has got a lot more spring. So I think I was just not tensioning it hard enough, and I probably should stop now, but not that one. Let's see, where's the good one? Nope, where's the ones I had? Right here? Yeah, let's try that. See if that makes a difference. Nope, not that pick. There. No, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 17. Yeah, so here's the card. All the age. Let's see, it is. Nope. I know y'all probably all yelling at me. Hit the Z bars, you knucklehead. Too thick. That's almost touching the pins. That one's close, but we'll see. See if there's a difference. One. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, it's all about the tension. Alright. Oh, that's a long video. Crap. Alright. Thanks for watching.